Hi everybody. This week we are going to learn about circles and measuring angles and arcs. So the objectives are to identify and use parts of circles, to solve problems involving the circumference of a circle, and to identify central angles, major arcs, minor arcs, and semicircles. So let's start with the parts of a circle. All right, so we have this red line over here that is called the tangent line. A tangent line is a line that just touches the circle as it passes by, is called the tangent. Tangent line. A line that cuts a circle at 2 points is called a secant. So this orange line is called a secant line. It cuts through the circle at 2 points. A line segment that goes from one point to another point on the circle's circumference is called a chord. So this is a line segment that starts at one point and goes to another point on the circumference of the circle. It's called a chord. Similar to a secant, but the secant line continues on, okay? The chord stops at the edges of the circle. If it passes through the center, it is called a diameter. So when a chord passes through the center, it's a diameter of our circle. All right, so it goes across through the center and hits the sides. Half of our diameter is called the radius. So a radius starts at the center and then goes to a point on the outside of the circle. And a part of the circumference is called an arc. So you can see right here, part of their circumference is called an arc of the circle. All right, so as I was saying before, the radius is half of the diameter. And a diameter is a chord that goes through the center and has both endpoints on the sides of the circle. An area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. So if you're looking to find the area of a circle, you can use pi times radius squared, or pi r squared. Circumference of a circle is pi times diameter, or you could say pi times 2 radius. Okay, so I'm going to write those down. Let me go ahead and do that. So we could say that area is equal to, for a circle, is equal to pi r squared. That's the same thing as what pi radius to the second. Circumference is equal to pi times diameter, or it's equal to, since diameter is 2 times radius, it's 2 pi r. That's another way we see it. Oh my goodness, my writing is so bad. Okay, so the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, 2r.